Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I'm gonna do another unboxing for Buttons Galore and More. So I'm gonna be doing Christmas in July, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with them. I'm not gonna show you guys this stuff yet. It's gonna be a separate video, so I'm just gonna show you what I picked up for now, because they do have some newer items. So let me go ahead and just pull out everything here. Like I said, I will make sure to not show you guys the stuff that is going to be a part of the giveaway. Okay, so here's everything. Like I said, Christmas in July, so a lot of the stuff I picked up were like reds and greens, and then some of the newer stuff. So first things first, I picked up some more brads, because like I said, I didn't really know that they had brads since my last haul, I believe. So I picked up this cozy brad set, and this is called His Chords, and comes with this like ivory color, red, and it's like a dark blue, like between a dark blue and black. So I got two of those, and then I got this one called Her Chords. And this one has orange, blue, and pink. So I got those there. So I picked up more of the sequin bags, and this one is called Velvet. It's a really dark, deep red. It's like a wine red color. And looks like. And then I picked up a blush. This looks like this. And I shared this one before. Just a really pretty, like, iridescent, transparent pink. It's a mix of different transparent pink colors. This one right here is called Reindeer. So it has green, gold, and some reindeer shaped sequins. And then I also picked up these little gingerbread buttons, and they're just mini buttons. And there's a boy, which is a lighter color, and then the darker ones are the girls. So I got a pack of those. And then these buttons are a thank you. So they gifted some Christmas bell buttons. And with the buttons, you can just knock off the little like backings. So if you just use some wire cutters, you can cut this piece off. It's just plastic. Pretty sure you can use like an old pair of scissors too to get rid of that. So thank you for those. Those are going to be really fun to use. So that's a thank you. And then I also grabbed the Merry Mouse ears, which I've shared before, but these are Disney themed clay sprinkles. So they're just Mickey heads in red, mint, and white. And then this one right here is called A Happy Christmas, and I got a couple of these. And then there's like clay sprinkles of candy canes. I do recommend this one. This one's so pretty. I had to grab it. So there are those. Okay, and then in here, okay, so first things first, I grabbed some crystals. I grabbed the coconut and grapefruit. Coconut isn't really like a white, it's more like an off-white color, but it's like transparent and it's iridescent. So that's this one. And then this one right here is grapefruit. It's one of my favorite pinks, so I picked up another one. And you don't have to use these as individual pieces. You can even add them into your sequin like mixes and shakers. And they do come with different sizes. I believe there's 3 different ones. Okay, and then for sparklets, I picked up a lot of Christmas themed ones, but this one here is called All Is Calm, and it's not your like traditional Christmas, but it's like a winter color theme. So there's green, pink, even some like teal color, a teal color in there, and a bunch of like iridescent jewels, some stars. So again, this one's called All Is Calm, and it's a sparklet. And then this is Peppermint Jazz, so it's red and white, and then there's some clear. And then I grabbed 2 of these. These are Homespun Holiday, a really pretty set. Definitely in person, a lot of these products just, they don't look like the photo. You just have to get them and you'll be very pleased because they look so much better. The photos don't do the product justice. So trust your gut. If you think it's going to be cute, it most likely is going to be from here. So there is that. I did grab 2 of those because I feel like it's going to go with one of the collections that I showed you guys in my update video for July. And then this one is Mermaid. I just thought that this set was so pretty. So if you work on a lot of mermaid projects, this is definitely the set. And for sparklets, let me just see. Yeah, sparklets are about like $3, so definitely worth it because their mixes are always so pretty. And then the last sparklets is Coconut Palms. So this one is more of like a summer themed one, but as you can see, there's some gold, some greens or like teal colors, and then white. So that was it for sparklets. And then I also grabbed some half pearls, which I've never picked up from there. So I was really glad to see or go into that section because I was able to find a bunch of pretty ones. So this one is called Bora Bora, and it has like a salmon color pearl and pink. So I got 2 of these. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this one called Serenity. It's like a orangish yellow color. And on camera it looks, I feel like it looks a little bit more yellow, but it's also really orangey. That's a word. Okay, and then I got Snow Capped, which is just white iridescent ones. And you get a lot in here. And then I grabbed, of course, Pink Paradise. This one has like dark pink and light mixed in with each other. So that, and then these are the newer products that they just added to their shop. So definitely, you know, check out the different kinds of mixes. But these are called mix-ups. And basically they just have a little bit of everything. So there's either like little, like, I don't know if you guys can see this. There's like these little ball sprinkles. I don't know how to explain them. They're like plastic balls. So, and they're really small. So a lot of the smaller size ones will definitely work in shakers. But I got 2 of this Halloween one. I don't know. I just thought it was so pretty. So it's called Spellbound. And I don't know. I just felt like I needed 2 of them. I rarely craft for Halloween now, but I just thought they were really cute. So I got 2 of those ones. And they have more than what I picked up, way more. So definitely check them out. And then I got 2 of this Shell Beach because these are like mermaid theme. And these definitely give me like little, the Little Mermaid vibes. So I picked up 2 of those. You can see how pretty it is. It has pink, blue, purple, and like white. Such a pretty set. Definitely please check them out for these, you guys. These are actually so beautiful. I love the mix. I like that they include these little balls too. They don't sell the balls separately, but they just, as you guys can see. So So those are really cool. I love that they added those. Okay, and then the last one that I grabbed is this one right here. And this is called Wish Upon a Star. This one's going to be a hit for sure. If you do like pastel Disney stuff, this would be really cute. So, like I said, a lot of these products like in person, they definitely look so different from the photos. They do try their best to make the photos look exactly how it is, and it does, but when you get them in person, you can see the actual shine it gives, and just like, you know, you can be up close and personal with them. So I definitely recommend, you know, trusting your gut and just getting them, even if you're questionable about it. If you guys do want to save $10 though, I do have a referral link. So you get $10 off of your order. All you do is click on the referral link that I have down below. It'll take you to the website and you'll save $10. You don't even have to put it into your cart, I believe. It'll say like, you know, you save $10 and then you can start shopping. So definitely if you want to pick some things up, you can use the code. It's free. You just have to click on the link and then you'll save some money. So if you guys have any questions about the products or anything like that, go ahead and leave them down below. I will show you guys the last item in a separate video that is going to be for the giveaway, so keep an eye out for that in July. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching another unboxing of beautiful items from Buttons Galore and More, and I hope you guys have a great day whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!